Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Let's Ask Tarot, and today we are going to ask Tarot who has a crush on you. And for some of you, you can also take it as who is your secret admirer. So some of you may know this person and some may not. So let's see who has a crush on you. And this is going to be the first video of a series. So I'm actually thinking of starting a crush series. So please stay with me to get to know your crush and to have every little thing about them. And we also have here some handwritten messages which we will check out at the last. I'm going to keep them there, and yeah, let's start your reading now. And while I'm shuffling the cards, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot. We have here the Temperance. And at the back of the deck, we have Eight of Swords. So, for some of you, it can be that you guys were in a toxic relationship before, and not a toxic relationship, but in general, maybe you guys were a bit insecure about yourself. Maybe your root chakra was not that much balanced, and with this Temperance here, this person will bring balance into your life. Like if you want to stay with this person, or if you want to connect with this person's energy, this person will bring you balance and will actually teach you how to stay focused. And with this Temperance, this person can be a Sagittarius person here, or either maybe it's your sun sign or moon sign, or maybe it's their sun sign, but it's not necessary that they will be a Sagittarius, but it can be. And I feel like this is something that they feel like a divine connection between you and them. They feel like that it was destined to meet you, and you guys were destined to be with each other. We have here the Magician and the Four of Wands. Okay, so with this Magician card, I can see that this person is someone who is a very good manifester, or this is someone who is very intuitive and actually knows how to like how the things work, or this person actually know how the world or the universe work. And whichever field they are in it, they are actually amazing, because I can see that if they do some kind of job, they are actually pretty good at them and they have a very good position. And with this Four of Wands, I feel like for some of you that this person wants to bring joy or stability in your life. This person wants to bring happiness to you, and even marriage. For some of you, we can see that the Eight of Swords is again here. So for some of you, I feel like that this person thinks that if they marry you, they will be able to give you everything and the happiness which you deserve. It can also be for someone or some of you that maybe you guys are colleagues, or maybe you guys work at the same company or at the same area. It can be that. We have the Sun. This is a very happy person, and we have here the 5 of swords at the back of the deck. We also have 10 of pentacles. Okay, so this person, it can be that they were deceived by their own family or their loved one. So this person actually knows that how it feels to be deceived by someone you care, or when someone you love betrays you. This person knows that feeling very well, and if it's not the thing which happened with them, maybe it happened with you, that your family didn't supported you, or you were not like in a good state before. Maybe you guys were betrayed, but this person knows what you have went through, and this person actually thinks about your happiness. And this message is coming through with every single card, that they want to bring you happiness, they want to see you smile, they want to see you being a free spirited person. For some of you, it can be that they are a Leo person. Maybe they have a Leo in sun or Leo in moon. It can be that. We have here the 4 of wands, and we have here the Hierophant. We also have Ace of Cups here. So with this Ace of Cups and Hierophant here, I feel like that this person doesn't really believe in societal norms that much, or they are not that much orthodox. Like even if their parents or the society which they were brought in, maybe they were a bit of orthodox, or maybe they were not that much broad minded, but this person is not like that. This for this person, being happy or being contented with yourself is the thing which like which matters the most. And for you, this person is even willing to go to any extent, and this person feels real love for you. And even if they have to broke any societal norms or rules, they are ready for it. They will not hold it back if they like someone, because I can feel a bit of like the vibe is becoming a little bit of desperate. So it can be that once they set their goal towards something, or once they have their eyes on something, they are very focused on it. We also have here the 5 of cups and the page of cups. Okay, so it can be that in the past you guys face some kind of loss, maybe in case of relationship, or it can even be in case of business, and it can be anything. But maybe you guys face some kind of loss or betrayal, and you were really broke. But or it can also be that this is the case with the person who has a crush on you, that they were betrayed, or they lost some kind of faith. Like they face some kind of loss. So now they really know the value of true love or true support, or like they know the value of actually I don't really know how to express it in words, because it feels like that they actually know that how much valuable you are, and that you are not valueless at all. And this person really wants to come towards you and tell you that no matter what, even if the world leaves you, I will never leave you alone. And For some of you, I'm feeling like that this person can be a bit younger than you. So maybe that's why this person feels like that. Even if you don't want to accept their love just because they are a bit younger than you, or maybe they are too much older than you, they will still not stop loving you and caring for you. We have it the Five of the Swords and King of Swords and Eight of Wands. Okay. So with this Five of Swords and Five of Cups, I can really feel that energy of being betrayed or decisiveness. So it can be that either you or them went through really major changes in their life, or maybe in your life, and this person now really wants, like if this person wants something now, they want only the truth or the real thing. They don't want something fake or something temporary. And I also feel like that this person is very straightforward. With this King of Swords, this person is very straightforward, and if you know them, maybe they said it upright on your face that they like you, or that they love you, and all of that. And some of you, I feel like that maybe you rejected this person, or you didn't want it, this person in the first place. And some of you, I can even feel that this can be your ex, but only a little bit. This can be your ex, I feel like that. But now they are becoming really straightforward, and they are now ready to tell you what they actually want and what they actually desire for you. No, sorry, from you. So at the last, we are going to check some handwritten messages. Let's see. Okay. We have here, I will seduce you with my awkwardness. Okay, so I feel like that this is a little bit of younger energy. So I have said it before, I think that for some of you, this person can actually be a bit younger than you. So that's why maybe they have a little bit of immature, or maybe a little bit of this funny energy. We also have love the way you are. This is actually sweet, because it's actually like they are encouraging you that you don't really have to follow what everyone follows. You just need to be yourself, because you're the most beautiful or the most handsome when you are being yourself. But with this message, as I was saying, for some of you, or maybe someone specific, I'm feeling like that there is someone who isn't actually much confident about their body shape, or maybe their height or anything like that. But this person is saying that I like you just the way you are, and you don't really have to change anything. We also have love at first sight. So it can be that one of your friends from a friend circle, because I feel like that you may know this person. Maybe this person lives in your society, or maybe this person is your colleague. For some of you, I feel like that you know this person, so that's why I said it. And for them, it was a love at first sight. We have here, can you feel it too? So they are actually asking you that, can you feel it too, that the feelings which I'm feeling, or the love which I have for you, the affection, the care which I have for you, can you also feel it? Can you also see the love in my eyes? This is just like that. So this was all for you, and I hope that I um, could help you with this description of your crush. And if it resonates with you, then please let me know in the comment section. And If you like this reading, please like it, and you can also share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel to get more videos related to your crush. And I will meet you at your next reading. Till then, please take care.